Little Island is a new addition to Hudson River Park in New York City. It opened in 2021 and was designed by Heatherwick Studio and MNLA. The 132 tulip-shaped structures project from the river to create a rolling landscape with winding pathways on the former site of Pier 54. After you enter under the structures, there are great views along the river. A variety of spaces are available for visitors, including an amphitheater. Nearby, you'll find City Winery on Pier 57 for lunch, or try the rooftop park on Pier 57 for a picnic. Enjoy Little Island.